There's the liver.
Mm-hmm.
This is the best chicken liver you'll ever have. Save that. Oh, wait, fine. That is chicken liver free of chemicals. Chicken liver that's actually good for you. I'm pulling out the trachea. That's a long. This is chicken lung. I do also have a tool for that. Where's the lung tool? Which grabs the lungs pretty well. There we go. Lung number 2. And we're almost done gutting this chicken. Now, what I have to do next is cut out the Pope's nose. And what we're doing as we do this is the entrails. We're removing the sac, what they call the scent sac. I'm cutting through bone. I kind of manhandle my way through it just because it's easier to just cut it away with scissors. And there we go. One bunch of chicken entrails. Here's the gullet. Now we can. That's the chicken heart. Like that. Gullet, intestines, a little air in the chicken. Lung. This is a very young cock. Those are his testicles. Now, if this was a year or more old, his testicles would be approximately, I don't know, as long as my fingertip. But he's very young. So, I guess you'd call him a cockerel. And we pull them out too. I want to eat them. After we're done this, we'll soak in salt water. And let's see, what else? Cut the neck off. Cut the wings off. I'll clean them up a little more later because, you know, we like our buffalo wings. Sometimes it's a little easier if you break it. Number 2, see that? How much easier that was? Now I'm going to cut away the legs. I'm only leaving these on, the feet on, because it makes it a little easier to handle. So what I'm going to do next is cut away the thigh meat. There's a joint in there. Hear that joint pop? Pop. There we go. Now, what do you think? Cut it in half or leave it whole? I say cut it in half.
For now, I'd say leave it whole.
Leave it whole? Okay.
You can always cut it later, but you can't uncut it.
Okay. I'll find my little sweet spot. Let's see here, the last one. Okay. Let's get that. Thunder. Finally got that rain. Oh, baby. Do I have to manhandle you? Imagine if this was a zombie. He rolls his eyes. Alright, there's the chicken breast. Actually, it's a nice breast. I'm going to cut away the spine.
And that there is a real breast. No fake in that breast.
What, you can't feel the serial numbers?
No. Not at all.
Okay, there we
Real
go.
breast is a good thing.
So, what I have to do now, this is a whole unsplit chicken breast. That's the chicken's sternum. I have cut through the wishbone, unfortunately, but I've already made my wishes and they're all good. Okay. So, what I have to do is split this breast. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. It's not like I have a real butcher shop here or anything.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like John Belushi. You know, Samurai Deli.
Mm-hmm.
All done. I just
Very
have
nice.
to clean a few feathers off the wings and soak it in some salt water, and we're ready for chicken number 2.
Alrighty.
Ciao, baby.